Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to go over how to complete activity 1.2.3 step 7. So in that section it wants you to start creating CAD multi-view drawings. So first we're going to create the stair design, the green block from the CAD multi-view drawing, and then we'll do the drawing. Okay. So first we're going to go ahead and start off with a part here in Inventor. Then I'm going to start by sketching a square. I'm going to select the top plane. I'm going to select the rectangle, start in the middle. And then this time, since I want a cube, I want both sides to be equal. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the box 0.5 and then press tab and type 0.5 in the other side as well. So 0.5, tab, 0.5, and then I'll press enter. And now I have 0.5 by 0.5 square. I'm going to finish the sketch, or I can press escape to get out of the command, the sketch command. I'll finish the sketch and then I'll go ahead and extrude my square by 1 inch. That's fine. So now I have my square here. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and create a hole. And I want my hole to be around this side, towards the left, pretty much. Now I'm going to click on the left to center it. That's how I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Well, that's fine. I'm going to press OK. Now, in order to create the stairs, we're going to use the extrude command. So I'm going to go here up to the front. Here I need to sketch 2 lines in order to extrude each smaller rectangle. So I'm going to start a new sketch, and this will be for this part. So here I'm going to pick 2 points and start my lines. There's one line there, another line is there, and then I'm going to press escape. I'm going to start another line over here. There we go. Press escape, and now I'm going to kind of just sketch on top of the other lines. So I'm going to put another line on top of this one, another line on top of this one, and then I'll do the same for the bottom. I'm going to add a line here. Same thing. Same thing. There we go. So now when I extrude, I should be able to extrude just this rectangle and also the bottom rectangle. So let's see if that works. I'm going to go home. Okay, so we have it this way. I prefer to set it up this way, which is fine. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the 3D model and extrude. And I want to extrude this one. Now the thing is I want to make it into a stair, so I want to go backwards. And I want to go backwards about 0.5 inches. That's fine. I'm going to press OK. Now, notice that our sketch is gone. So we're going to have to find it here in our folder. Okay, remember that it's always, you can always find your sketches here in your folder. So you have to look for them. This will be sketch 3. So this is our sketch that we want to bring back. So all we do is right click and make it visible. So now you see that the visibility is turned on. Okay, and this is what we want. So we're going to go back to extrude. We should be able to click this part now. And this time we'll make it half of 0.5, which is 0.25. And then we're going to press OK. And then now we can hide our sketch. Now we can hide this sketch. Check off visibility. And now we have our stair design. So again, make sure you save your stair design. So you're going to go ahead and save it. Not open it. Save. There we go. The floppy disk. So in Inventor, you can save it. Title it maybe 1.2.3 stair design. There we go. Now we have our stair design. Now we can start our multi-view drawing. Okay. So from here, you're going to go ahead and click File. We want a new. You're going to click the arrow. And then you're gonna go over here next to the arrow. Again, do not click anything yet. Make sure you go to the arrows for more options. So you're gonna click the second one. This is the one that we want. Here it's just asking you which shape do you want to open and make into a drawing. So make sure this one is this is our stair design. I can see 1.2.3 stair design. So I'm gonna go ahead and select OK. And now we have our stair design. Again, if it comes out crooked, you can always double click and then move it with the cube. Okay, so let's see. It might take a while for this to go back. There we go. We just want it the other way. There we go. So now we have our shape. I'm going to press OK. So now I'm going to go ahead and right click. Well, you can double click and it's going to ask you what type of scale. That's just the size. I mean, that's totally fine. I'm going to move it to the top right. I'm going to press OK. And now I'm going to go ahead and right click and say projected view. So now it should start with the top view, front view, and then side view. Okay. So now here we have our front view, top view, and then our side view. Now, if it comes out a little bit wrong, that's fine. I'm gonna press cancel, right click again. I'm gonna drag this over here. Projected view again. Press escape, double click. I'm gonna press home. There we go. So again, I noticed that my shape was looking kind of crooked, so I just pressed home in order to edit it, and we'll see if it comes out a little bit better. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna double click, and actually I'm gonna right. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and right click and say that I want a projected view. So I should have the front view, the top view, and then the front view. Well, the front view, right? Front view, side view, and then top view. Once I have all three, I'm gonna right click and say create these views. And I can right click on or double click and then change them, uncheck this and then change it to the middle one. And it should change to a simple drawing. Let's see if it does change. If not, we have to mess with this. There we go. Like that. So it should be like that. Cancel. There we go. Uncheck. There we go. So now all we have to do is add some text here and then we're all finished. Okay. So now we're going to go here to the parts list and you should be able to edit parts list. Again, 1.2.3 stair design. Make sure that is on there. Now we have to go to the title. But I'm going to have to look for it here. There it is, the field text. Double click on the field text. Author. Again, you click the little paper here, properties, and then you can edit. So 1.2.3. Summary, title, you can put 1.2.3. Staircase drawing. Subject. You can put engineering. You can put, again, first period if you're in first period, sixth period if you're in sixth period. Your full name. Your full name. Company, you can add PLTW. And then you can press OK. And now you have your staircase drawing. Your name should be on here. Okay. So you need to add your name. If you turn it in without your name, I'm gonna return your assignment. Okay, so make sure it has your name on your drawing. Once that is finished, you're gonna go ahead and save it. Stair design, inventor folder. This time it's a drawing format. Files must be updated. Okay, that's fine. So it's updating. Now it's saved. Now I can take, or you can actually attach this file into Google Drive and save it, or you can take a full Windows screenshot with Windows Shift S. Again, if you need to go through the process of that, it's in the other video before. I show you how to take a full Windows screenshot. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.